Hello guys and good morning to everyone. By the way, my name is Randy Peña and this is my Richmond account, and I joined this company yesterday, and I'm so glad that for now I earn $110. And one thing before I finish this video, so I can get my $10, and I'm so happy that for this opportunity through online that we can earn some money for our daily use. And I'm so excited that this company is one of the paying system in online, and that's all. And I'm looking more excitement in this company, and hope I can also try to invest my $10 so that I can just earn more as a 1.5% daily. And thank you very much, Richmond, and thank you for the person who invited me to join this group. And thank you, guys.